Yo, 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 this is Big Boss Real Talk from Oakland, California, with a real quick message. Just letting you guys know, put you up on game. FYI, that Big Boss Real Talk YouTube channel finally has started a members only. That's right. Long time in the coming channel, been up for 3 years, and I'm just now starting a members only uh, subscription or whatnot. So I'm just asking for those who feel it in your heart, want to help out, want to join Bossy Boss on this journey of mine, that you guys can now support by joining the members only. I do plan to put some content on there from time to time. Mostly, I plan to do some member only live streams when I'm overseas, especially when I'm getting a lot of random and raw footage, some stuff that can't make it into the on a real channel, on the main channel, will be in the members only. Definitely when I'm interviewing some of the local chicas and the women, getting the women on camera, YouTube can act kind of funny. So really, when I interact with a lot of the local women overseas, interact and get them in the room or whatnot, and having interactions and interviews and whatnot. That's definitely going on in members only, as well as a lot of other stuff, a lot of random footage, a lot of stuff that I probably won't really have time to edit and shine it up and polish it and put it on the main channel. I just throw the raw footage up on the members only. Randomly, probably pull up my phone and just, shoot some videos, some content. I just go live randomly on the members only stuff that I would keep off the main page. So it'll give you guys a closer look into the day to day of Big Boss Real Talk, Big Boss Alini, when I'm here in the States and especially when I'm overseas. So if you guys can go ahead and press that button, boop, and join the members only for support. Like I was saying on the stream just the other night, real fast, I'll follow a big YouTuber. Shout out to him. I don't want to say his name because of this one statement this big YouTuber said when I was in this mastermind. He was saying this guy has over 400K subscribers. He said for his members only, he does some things, but what he was telling us that the members only is a chance for your subscribers and followers and people that mess with you and rock with you in a real way. It's an extra way for them to support you. It's a way for them to support you. They want to see you grow. They want to see you win. This particular YouTuber say he don't put nothing extra on his members only. Hello? He said he don't do no videos, no lives, no nothing. He really does not put no extra content on his members only. He has it set up so people can support him. For those who want to support, 50-50. You do, you don't, you don't. But for people who want to support, that's what the members only for. So not so much, oh, what can I get? What you got? If you want to support. Now, that being said, I see where he's coming from. But again, this guy got a big channel, almost 500,000 subscribers. I see where he's coming from, but in my mind frame, I do plan to give a little, right? I do plan to, like I say, do members only live streams. I do plan to throw up some members only videos, especially footage and raw footage, and especially when I interact with ladies or whatnot, with females, that's definitely members only. So I do plan to give some added value. I do plan to add value to the members only. But remember, the main thing is for people who want to support. If you want to support Big Boss, you want to support Real Talk, you want to see me grow, you know what I'm saying? Then definitely subscribe to the members only so we can be lit up in there. Other than that, y'all do what y'all do. Big Boss Real Talk from Oakland, California. The biggity, iggity, 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 bossy, Bossalini, cooking with what? Gasolini. Subscribe to the members only. I see you on the other side. Oh, man. Not the boss. Biggity, iggity, iggity with the sauce. Subscribe to the members only. Peace.